Today we're breaking down question science, the psychology behind why people finish quizzes and why they quit them. And more importantly, we're showing you exactly where to apply it inside Outgrow. Hey, welcome back. If you build quizzes, calculators, or assessments in Outgrow, this one's for you. We've got 6 principles from behavioral psychology, and for each one, I'll show you the exact setting inside the builder that puts it into practice. No theory without a hands-on fix. Let's jump into the builder and pick your content type. That investment actually starts before question 1. Your welcome screen has to earn it. Write a clear headline, back it up with a subheading, and use a CTA that tells people what they're about to do. If someone can't tell what your quiz, calculator, or assessment is about in 3 seconds, they won't stick around for questions. Principle 1. The goal gradient effect. Here's something wild about human psychology. The closer we feel to a finish line, the harder we push toward it. It's called the goal gradient effect, and it's why your first question matters more than almost anything else in the quiz. Open with something low effort and high interest, a question they can answer without thinking twice. Save the harder, more personal questions for the middle, once they've already committed a few taps and started feeling invested. Principle 2. Match the format to the effort. Not all questions ask the same thing of the brain. A single select is a tap. A text input is a small essay. A ranking grid is basically a puzzle. Match the format to how much effort the question actually deserves. If you just need a yes or no or a quick preference, don't make someone type it out. Give them a single select or a slider instead. Principle 3. Kill the uncertainty. Uncertainty kills follow through. If someone doesn't know whether they're on question 2 of 5 or question 2 of 50, their brain assumes the worst and bails. A visible progress indicator fixes that instantly. It turns an open-ended task into a countdown, and countdowns get finished. Principle 4. Make every question feel personal. Nothing says this isn't for me faster than an irrelevant question. Someone tells you they're a beginner and your very next question assumes advanced knowledge. You've just told them the quiz wasn't built for them. Branching logic is the fix. Route people around questions that don't apply to their answers, so every question they see feels like it was written specifically for them. Principle 5. Design for thumbs. Most people taking your quiz are on a phone. One thumb, probably half distracted. Long question text and cramped answer options are exactly where mobile users disappear. Keep questions to a single sentence. Keep answers short enough to read at a glance. Then actually test it on your own phone before you hit publish. Principle 6. Let the data prove it. Here's the best part about question science. You don't have to guess whether any of it worked. Once your quiz goes live, Outgrow's analytics show you completion and drop-off at every single stage. That's question science, and that's how you put it to work inside Outgrow. Pull up your lowest performing quiz today and run it through this list.